Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to study the Newton's divided difference interpolation method. Divided difference interpolation method. So let us see its formula. So here the basic, before going to the formula, understand that when the step size is different, I mean the difference between the two data points of x coordinate are different, then we can go for divided difference. So up till now we have studied that for same step size we can go for Newton's forward or Newton's difference backward interpolation method, but we go for divided difference interpolation when the step size is not same. Okay, so the formula is yr is equal to y0. So initial value of y corresponding to x, so x0 corresponds to y0, so this y0 plus xr minus x0. Okay, xr is the required value of x minus x0 initial value into y of x1 x0. Okay, now how to calculate y of x1 x0, that we are going to study, plus xr minus x0 xr minus x1 into y of x2 x1 x0. We'll see how to find out y of x2 x1 x0. So here we are finding out the slope of the line, plus xr minus x0 xr minus x1 xr minus x2 y of x3 x2 x1 x0. So all these y terms we will see how to calculate. Okay, but if you observe the formula, this is what initially y0 plus xr minus x0 into y term, plus xr minus x0 xr minus x1 y term, xr minus x0 xr minus x1 xr minus x2 y term with 4 variable, plus so on. Okay, so while solving the numerical, it will be more clear to you. Let us go to the numerical. So this is the formula which is important, which we are going to utilize while solving the numericals. Let us see one of the numerical. For example, we have uh, we have to solve y equal to log of x to the base 10. Okay, this is the numerical. We have to interpolate it. Okay, and we have to find out its equation. Okay, with the help of divided difference. So you observe here first, here it is 300, 304, 305, 307. So if you observe the step size, it is 300, 304. So difference is 4. Then here difference is 1. Here difference is 2. So this is not of equal step size. So you cannot go for Newton's forward interpolation or backward interpolation. Okay. So we will go for divided difference interpolation. So here y equal to log of x to the base 10. So we will put the value of x as 300 in this equation. You can find out corresponding value of a function corresponding to x0, which is y0. So this is your y0. Similarly, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3. Okay, so these are the data points given. Now let us see how we can solve it. So we are interested to find out y of x1 x0, y of x2 x1, y of x3 x2. These are the two. Okay, for forming the difference table, we need to calculate these y terms with two variables. So this is nothing but, as I told you, it is a slope. Say for example, y of x1 x0, for x1 x0 it will be y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. So it is 2.4829 minus 2.4771 divided by 304 minus 300. So you will calculate this. Okay, now y of x2 x1, x2 x1, so it will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You can easily calculate. Then next is x3 x2, y of x3 x2, so it will be y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2. Okay, I hope you have understood this with the two variable terms. Now more interesting part with third next step, which is y of x2 x1 x0. See what we are doing now, x2 x1 x0, and we can travel for x3 x2 x1. So two steps are possible with three variables, y of x2 x1 x0 and y of x3 x2 x1. Okay, so see how to calculate this. So y of x2 x1 x0 is y of x2 x1 this, okay, this minus this, y of x2 x1 minus y of x1 x0 divided by x2 minus x0. Okay, x2 minus x0, see the cursor, x2 minus x0 at the denominator, and at the numerator It is x2 x1, y of x2 x1 minus y of x1 x0. Okay. So here you have the y of x2 x1, y of x1 x0, and you are knowing with the values of x2 and x0, so you can calculate this. Next is y of x3 x2 x1. So how it will be? It is y of x3 x2 minus y of x2 x1. See the cursor, y of x3 x2 minus y of x2 x1. So very easy to remember, divided by x3 minus x1. You are knowing with the x3 minus x1, and this we have calculated here, y of x3 x2 and y of x2 x1. You have the value, so you can perform it. Okay. Now the third with the 4 variable, y of x3 x2 x1 x0. So it is y of x3 x2, see the cursor, this is equal to y of x3 x2 x1 minus y of x2 x1 x0. Obviously it will be divided by x3 minus x0. You are knowing with the x3 minus x0, x3 x0 from the table, and this we have just now calculated. So it is 0 minus minus of this, so it will be plus. Okay. And x0 is 300, x3 is 307. So you can calculate this. So once you are knowing with all these 2 and 3 terms, you can form a table, or you can directly put it in the formula. So how the table is formed? See here, x first column is x, second column is y, next column is y of xn minus 1. Okay. So the 3 terms that we have calculated, these 3 terms will come here in this column. Then y of xn minus 1, xn minus 2. So 3 terms. So two terms are possible in this numerical. So um, two cells will be there in column number 4, and last column is with the 4 variables. So only one term will come there. So this is the difference table. So table is continued here. Okay. Table is continued here. 2 terms were there, 3 terms were there, and 2 terms are here. Okay. So this is a table. You can either write a table or directly put the values. So just now we have seen the formula. So we are interested to find out the log at 301. Okay. At a 301, XR is given as 301, and we are interested to find out the log of X. Okay. At this corresponding value. So it is y0. Just now we have seen the formula, y0 plus xr minus x0, y x1 x0 plus xr minus x0, xr minus x1, y of x2 x1 x0 plus xr minus x0, xr minus x1, xr minus x2, y of 4 digit plus going on. Okay, depending upon the number of data points. So our formula will restrict here only, because we have up to this only. So I'll substitute all the values. Y0 you are knowing with 2.4771 given, XR given, X0 given, Y of X1 X0 we have calculated, Y of X2 X1 X0 we have calculated, and this term also we have calculated. Rest all is given in the table. XR is 301, at which we have to find out YR. So putting all the values, you will get the answer, and answer is coming as 2.4785971. So this is how we can apply the we can apply the divided difference interpolation numerical. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, please comment me.